Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to stay up on today's video? I'm going to show you how to rotate a page in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now sign in and you can see the recent designs you've made. You can find the design you want to flip. From there, select it and you can see there's the three-dot menu on the top of the screen. Tap on it and you can see there is resize and magic switch option. You can tap on it, but you have to be a Canva Pro user to use it. If you don't want to be the Pro user, all you have to do is save the design. Once you save the design, all you have to do is go back and tap on the top left corner and select create new design. There you have to give a custom size of 10 width. Okay, from the drop down menu you have to select inch first. Then you have to select 10 width and 20 height. Once you do that, from the camera roll, select the design you had saved, add it to page, and all you have to do is from the rotate button, rotate it, flip it and fit it perfectly. Once you fit it perfectly, all you have to do now is select that three-dot menu above and go and find set image as. And guys, that's it. That's how you rotate page in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.